Today, I'm going to show you the browser that changes everything. This isn't just another browser with some AI features. This is the first browser in the world that runs 169 AI models completely on your device. No internet needed, no subscriptions, no data leaving your computer. This is revolutionary. It's safe, it's fast, and it's completely free. So, what exactly is GenSpark AI browser? This isn't your regular Chrome or Firefox. This is something completely different. We're talking about a browser that runs AI models right on your computer. No cloud, no servers, everything happens locally. Think about this for a second. Companies like OpenAI charge you $20 a month for access to one model. GenSpark gives you 169 models for free. That's insane. But here's where it gets crazy. Your data never leaves your computer. Your conversations stay private. Your browsing history stays private. Even if your internet goes down, the AI still works perfectly. This is privacy done right. And because everything happens on your device, you can use it offline. Your internet goes down, the AI still works. You're traveling somewhere with bad connection? No problem. Now, here's where things get really interesting. This isn't just about privacy. This is about speed. When AI runs on your device, it responds instantly. No waiting, no delays, no loading screens. You ask something and you get an answer immediately. I've been testing browsers for years. I've seen them all, but nothing comes close to this. The speed alone will blow your mind. Let me tell you about their autopilot mode. This is where things get futuristic. You can literally tell the browser to browse the internet for you. It will check your social media feeds, monitor news sites, access your premium subscription tools, gather information from multiple sources, all while you're doing something else. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. Your browser has already checked all your favorite sites, gathered the important news, organized everything you need to see. That's the future we're talking about. The browser also blocks ads automatically, not just some ads, all ads, pop-ups, banners, video ads, everything. Your browsing experience becomes clean and fast. Pages load 40% faster, according to their testing. No more distractions, no more waiting for ads to load. Now let me break down exactly what makes this so special. They built something called super agent technology. Instead of using one big AI model for everything, they use what's called a mixture of agents architecture. They have 8 different AI models, each one specialized for different types of tasks. So when you ask it to help with shopping, it uses the model that's best at analyzing products and prices. When you ask it to summarize a video, it uses the model that's best at understanding and condensing information. This makes everything faster and more accurate. It's like having 8 different experts working for you at the same time. The shopping assistant alone is incredible. It doesn't just compare prices, it analyzes reviews from Reddit, forums, and shopping sites. It looks for complaints about products. It checks for fake reviews. It even considers shipping costs and return policies. It gives you a complete analysis of whether you should buy something or not. Now, here's something really smart they did. They built an MCP Store. This connects over 700 different apps and tools. Discord, GitHub, Notion, Slack, Google Drive, all integrated into your browser. You can automate workflows across all these platforms without switching between different tabs or apps. This is what I call true productivity. For technical requirements, you need Mac OS 15 or later, or Windows 10 or 11, at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and 20 gigabytes of storage space. Most modern computers can handle this easily. The setup process is simple. You download it from their website. Install it like any other browser. It will ask if you want to import your bookmarks and settings from your current browser. You can do this with one click. Then you're ready to go. The first time you use the AI features, it needs to download the models to your computer. This happens automatically. Depending on which models you choose and your internet speed, this might take a little while the first time. But once they're downloaded, everything runs locally and instantly. You can choose which AI models you want to install. If you're short on storage space, you might just install a few of the smaller, more efficient models. If you have plenty of space, you can install all 169 models and have access to everything. The interface is clean and familiar. If you've used Chrome or Firefox, you'll feel right at home. The AI features are integrated naturally. They don't clutter up the interface or make things confusing. When you need AI help, it's right there. When you don't, it stays out of the way. One thing I really appreciate is that they made this accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. You don't need to understand machine learning or AI models. It just works. Click a button, get AI assistance. That's it. The company is also being transparent about their development. They're actively sharing updates about new features, and they're thinking long-term. This isn't just about building a better browser. It's about reimagining how we interact with the internet. Instead of browsing being a passive activity where you hunt for information, it becomes an active experience where a site helps you accomplish your goals. I think we're looking at a major shift in how browsers work. Just like smartphones replaced basic phones by adding intelligence, AI browsers are going to replace traditional browsers. The companies that get this right early will have a huge advantage. GenSpark appears to be one of those companies. They built a new browser from the ground up with AI at its core, and they're doing it with privacy as a fundamental principle. The release of this browser also signals something bigger happening in the AI industry. We're moving from cloud-based AI to edge AI. Instead of everything happening on distant servers, AI is coming to your device. This trend is going to accelerate as hardware gets better and models get more efficient. This has huge implications for privacy, speed, and accessibility. When AI runs on your device, you have complete control over your data. When AI runs locally, it responds instantly. When AI doesn't require internet connectivity, it becomes accessible to people in areas with poor internet infrastructure. GenSpark is ahead of this curve. While other companies are still focused on cloud-based AI, GenSpark is pioneering device-based AI. This gives them a significant competitive advantage. The browser also shows how AI should be integrated into existing tools. Instead of forcing users to learn completely new interfaces, they made AI assistance available within the familiar context of web browsing. The AI enhances what you're already doing, rather than replacing it. This is the right approach to AI adoption. Make it useful, make it accessible, make it optional. Don't force people to change their entire workflow. Just make their existing workflow better and more efficient. But here's the challenge they face. Building this kind of technology requires significant investment in AI research and development. It requires new thinking about privacy and local processing. It requires redesigning browsers from the ground up. GenSpark has a head start because they built this from scratch with AI in mind. The established browser companies have years of legacy code and existing architectures that might make it harder to add these features. This could be one of those moments in tech history where a new company disrupts an established market by building something fundamentally better, like how Google disrupted search with a better algorithm, or how Netflix disrupted video rental with streaming. The speed difference alone is worth switching for. When you're used to waiting for AI responses in the cloud, having instant responses on your device feels like magic. It changes how you interact with AI completely. You start using it more because there's no friction, no waiting, no delays, just instant intelligence whenever you need it. And the privacy aspect can't be overstated. In a world where every company wants to collect your data, having AI that works completely offline is revolutionary. Your conversations never leave your device. Your browsing habits stay private. That's how technology should work. The ad blocking feature alone saves hours per week. If you've ever tried to read an article on a news site, you know how painful the experience can be. Pop-ups everywhere, video ads that autoplay, banner ads that follow you as you scroll. This browser eliminates all of that. Clean browsing, fast loading, no distractions. That's what the internet should feel like. The video analysis feature is something I use daily now. I watch a lot of educational content for business. Instead of pausing to take notes, the AI extracts everything important. I can focus on listening and understanding instead of frantically writing notes. The shopping assistant has saved me hundreds of dollars already. It caught fake reviews I would have missed. It found better deals on other sites. It warned me about products with known issues. Having an AI assistant that actually looks out for your interests is game-changing. Now, let me be clear about something. This isn't just another AI tool. This is a complete rethinking of how browsers should work. Most browsers were designed in the 1990s. They've been updated and patched for decades, but the core concept hasn't changed. GenSpark started fresh. They asked what a browser would look like if it was designed today with AI from the beginning. This is the result. The mixture of agents architecture is brilliant. Instead of having one AI trying to do everything poorly, you have specialized AI models that excel at specific tasks. It's like having a team of experts instead of one generalist. Now, if you're someone who runs a business and you're looking for ways to use AI to scale and get more customers while saving hundreds of hours with automation, I want to tell you about my AI Profit Boardroom. We currently have over 1,000 members who are using AI to transform their businesses. This is the best place to learn how to implement AI tools like this browser into your daily workflow. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50+ free AI tools and 200+ ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get 1,000+ free N8N workflows, 200+ ChatGPT prompts. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about this browser revolution. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI updates and insights.